Today, Charlie put a paywall behind weeks 3 to 6. I'm gonna make this video about me processing my thoughts, but also about just some inspiration that we need to hear right now. Firstly, I realized that this is out of our control. I've been having these thoughts about regrets. I should have bought VIP when it was cheaper. I should have gotten the Google Docs of weeks 3 to 6 and saved it in a G drive. All these regrets and should have, could have's. And I feel like a lump in my throat, like I want to vomit. Not to be dramatic, but like to be honest. And I started week one around 6 weeks ago, which means that if I just did follow the timeline, I could have finished until week 6. Like if I actually locked in and did the proper work, but I didn't. So I kind of like beating myself up. And then I realized, is this the right mindset to have? Because after watching week two's modules, I'm starting to realize who integrates it or not, including myself. This is not Charlie's fault. This is not Charlie's client's fault. This is not the VIP's fault. It's not his Charlie's business owner's fault. It's our fault. We are the enemy of our own self. We should focus on our becoming self, not on blaming other external circumstances. Because these things they are fixable, they're solvable. Our goal, our current situation is where we are now. Our desired situation is financial freedom, then came out, whatever it is you name it. But the obstacle in the way is ourselves. Because as Charlie said in week two, we are the enemy. We are the problem. That's not to say that we're like actually, yeah, I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna double down on that. The reason why we are not reaching our desired situation, whatever it may be, is ourselves. So while I could blame Charlie, I'm not going to. Now I could like I'm not saying I'm gonna be like stiff robot. Like I'm gonna journal, I'm gonna pray to the Lord, I'm gonna rant, but I'm not gonna give up. And neither should you. I've actually had thoughts of like giving up. Oh, like, oh, maybe God, this is a sign that you want me to do corporate work. But I'm like, I'm Arlo Sanchez. Why would if I didn't give up on harder things that weren't that meaningful to me, why am I giving up now? Why are you giving up now? You've probably done harder things than this. Why are you giving up now? Just because it's locked? Well, instead of, I realize like instead of saying things as a declarative sentence, we could convert it to questions. Instead of, I can't do this, we could convert it to, how can I do this? How can I still learn how to deliver for clients? How can I still learn how to book calls? And like these questions, they open up solutions. Like I remember in like week one, it's it's just a thesis and antithesis. The thesis is where we are right now. It's locked. Like we can't watch week 3 to 6. But what's the antithesis? Well, we find a way to get weeks 3 to 6 or get money to be able to buy. Like I realized as entrepreneurs, we have to be problem solvers. So the goal here isn't to make 10K a month. It's to be the person who can achieve 10K a month, regardless of the problems or obstacles that come into life, including this. And I don't have it figured out. I don't. But I trust the Lord will guide me. And I know that with effort and intention, things are figured out. Like things can be figured out. Yeah, we made the promise, right? We'll stick to our niche, we'll stick to consulting. Until 10K a month, we're not allowed to change or shift. We've made that promise to ourselves, to each other. So why give up now? Now I'm saying it's not gonna be easy. Not saying it's gonna be easy, but I'm saying that any thought of giving up is just it's a distraction. It's a distraction. Like, why are we giving up? Like, there are people out there who have an exact situation as us, but they're still killing it. So why aren't we? So this is not Charlie's fault. This is not school's fault. This is not any of these fault. It's ourselves. So yeah, sorry for the rant. I kind of needed to say it so I could hear it myself and really process it. But yeah, I'm not feeling well about this. But why should I ever let it stop me from pursuing this? Like, there are people in this community who are killing it. They're proof that hard work and intention can achieve their goals. So if they can do it, why not us? Come on. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Amen.